Hosted by Matt Riches. Watch the market unfold. $1 trillion tickets. Turning data to gold. $1 trillion tickets. Watch the market unfold. $1 trillion tickets. Turning data to gold. $1 trillion tickets. Watch the market unfold. $1 tickets. Turning data to gold. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickets broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. Happy Monday! Y'all know what it is, man. The market open. We already did a pre-market briefing show earlier. This is the market open show. The market opens in about less than 4 minutes. So before we get into the market, let's get into the mindset. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to be happy. I deserve the wealth that I'm building for me and my family. Riches and freedom, they come to our hands. I am the master of all I command. My learning is limitless. My earnings are too. The more I discover, the more I can do. The stock market is a machine of design, and I have the power to make that wealth mine. I am capable, I am skilled, I am bold. Blessings on the journey as the vision unfolds. All right, let's see what's going on in the market. On the surface, the market looks quiet today. No major red folders, no major orange folder data. No notable earnings, no major earnings after the close, but quiet does not always mean simple. The market is still starting near all-time highs, and tomorrow we get CPI, that is inflation data. That means today can become a positioning day. Some traders may not want to press hard before the inflation data comes out tomorrow. Other traders may still chase strength if the buyers keep defending the trend. That's where the session gets interesting. The market is close enough to record highs to continue to higher record levels, but it's also high enough for people to take profits and the market to sell off. The VIX is at 18.1, so volatility is not screaming panic. The fear and greed index is at 67, so we're still heavy in greed. Attention should be at AI, cloud chips, data centers, mega cap leadership. All right, let's get into Robert Greene's Daily Law. Title, Don't Mistake Extra Conviction for Truth. Summary. Today's law is about staying skeptical when someone is trying too hard to convince you. Robert Greene is pointing out that people can confuse confidence with truth. When someone becomes overly animated, overly friendly, overly defensive, or unusually intense, that can be a sign they are trying to influence you more than inform you. The lesson is simple. Do not let energy replace evidence. Do not let confidence replace facts. Do not let conviction replace truth. When it comes to long-term investing, this is extremely important. Markets are full of big promises. A company can have a strong story. An executive can speak with confidence. Analysts can defend a thesis with conviction. Social media can make a stock sound like a guaranteed winner, but conviction is not the same as proof. The real evidence is in the numbers. Revenue growth, margins, cash flow, guidance, debt, competitive position, execution over time. If the story is loud but the evidence is weak, be careful. All right, we got about 20 seconds before the market opens, so let's get ready, y'all. Happy Monday, y'all. Happy Monday. Woo, let's get into it, baby. All right, let's go. Market open, market open, market open. The market is open, 6:30 a.m., May 11th, 2026. We got alerts going off already. We got a sale on Netflix on the weekly. All right, let's check it out, y'all. SPY currently down fractionally at $736.65. QQQ is down fractionally at $700. Excuse me, $710.89. No, it did not drop to $700. Oh, Q is about to break the all-time high right now, y'all. Ooh, QQQ just broke all-time highs by a penny. Let's go! Technology to the moon. All right, next we got the VIX. The VIX did gap up. Actually, from Friday to today, the VIX gapped up. The VIX actually closed at $17.18, but it gapped up, and now it's at $18.25. So keep that in mind. Yeah, it should be increased volatility with CPI coming out tomorrow. All right, we got next. Nvidia is up 0.25% at 215.61. Google is down 2% at 392.60. Apple is down almost 0.5% at 291.96. Microsoft is down 1.33% at 409.79. Amazon is down 0.75% at 270.50. TSM is down 1.5% at 405.60. AVGO is turning green at 430.40. Meta is down 1% at 603.64. Tesla is 423.66, y'all, but it's down 1%. Samsung, we do have a new $1 trillion ticker that we are adding to the list. It is Samsung. No, it's not traded on the New York Stock Exchange. It is a Korean stock. It is on the Korean stock market, I believe. And check out this price. $285,500. But it is different because it doesn't go up $1 at a time. It actually goes up $500 at a time. So, but they're very close to all-time high right now. It's actually up 6.3% today. It's up 17,000. I'm not making this up, yo. I'm not making this up. They actually have their the way that they measure it is completely different from the way that we measure it, and they move up $500 at a time. I guess that's how it was able to get to 285,000. I mean, the all-time high on Samsung is 288,500. So just be aware of that. Next up, we got Walmart. Walmart is down 1% at 129.07. Berkshire B is up Berkshire B is up 0.25% at 477.25. All right, let's check out the market caps right quick of our $1 trillion tickers. Let's see, is anybody else over 5 trillion, or is it only Nvidia? It's only Nvidia, man. Nvidia is big dog, yeah. Nvidia 5.23 trillion, followed by Google 4.73 trillion, Apple 4.27 trillion, Apple 4.27 trillion, y'all. Microsoft back over 3 trillion, 3.04 trillion. Amazon 2.91 trillion, TSM 2.09 trillion, AVGO 2.02 trillion, Saudi Aramco 1.78 trillion. I don't be counting them. I might have to add them to the list. I've been skipping over them. They from Saudi Arabia, y'all. Let me know in the chat or in the comments if I should add Saudi Aramco to the $1 trillion tickers list, even though they're not traded on the New York Stock Exchange. I did go ahead and add Samsung. Let me know if y'all want me to add Saudi Aramco. Put it in the chat or put it in the comments. Next up, Walmart, 1.02 trillion. Oh, Walmart and Berkshire B are tied for. Oh, wait a minute. We got a new contender, y'all. Micron Technology, y'all. $919.94 billion. Micron is about to come to the $1 trillion ticker family, y'all. Micron is about to come to the $1 trillion ticker family. Wow. Wait a minute. We got to pull up Micron on the chart. Wait a minute. Oh my God. I know Troy got them. Troy and Rashad got them MU options too. Oh, that thing gapped up. Oh my God. This is insane. We got to move this all-time high. I had the all-time high up here at 667. It's now 818.67. Oh my God. Remember dude tried to roast Rashad for MU when it had that little slight pullback. Now that shit is over 800. Oh, Rashad about to be talking shit today on Market Mondays, boy. He about to be talking shit, boy. Believe that. Alright, let me see. Let's check out some news, y'all. Alright. I thought this was pretty dope. So, the Nasdaq making 1,000 point moves. It just made its fastest 1,000 point move in a long time. It went from 25,000 to 26,000 in 6 days, y'all. 6 days, y'all. To put more context on it, to go from 24 to 25,000 took 184 days. To go from 20,000 to 21,000 took 222 days. To go from 16 to 17,000 took 935 days. So I just want y'all to bring that. The market is running crazy, y'all. I hope you invested in tech. You know we are. You know we big tech bulls over here. Let's get it. Next up. This is from the Kobayashi letter. Global physical gold-backed ETFs posted 6.6 billion in inflows in April. European funds led with over 3.7 billion, followed by Asia at 1.8 billion, and in North America over 1 billion. This marks a sharp recovery from the $12 billion outflow in March, which was the largest withdrawal on record. Year to date, global gold ETFs have attracted more than 19 billion in inflows, including us, because we bought some that gold mini trust. All right, year to date, energy is winning up 24%, followed by technology up 20%. This was before market opened today, so I think it will change today because the Qs is hitting all-time highs again. So, yeah, I think technology want to win for the year, y'all. Materials up 13%. Let's see. We do have 3 red sectors. Communications is down 1%. Financials down 6.6%. Healthcare down 7.2%. All right, next. California will reportedly become the first state in the nation to provide free diapers to newborns, y'all. Save you some bread on diapers, y'all. If your wife or baby mama got a newborn, or if you got a newborn, California got some new diapers for you. Some free diapers for you. Hopefully they're new too. All right, next. This is a picture of Elon and the CEO of Intel. Elon said it was an honor to be shown the awesome Intel fab in Oregon this week. Looking forward to a great partnership between SpaceX and Tesla and Intel. and they was holding a Optimus head. All right, some of the worst performing stocks of the year. Boston Scientific down 43%. Some of these we never heard of, so I'm not going to say them. But the ones we probably have, I'll say them. Workday down 40%. ServiceNow down 40%. Intuit down 40%. Trade Desk down 39%. Lululemon down 37%. Robinhood down 32%. Salesforce down 31%. Next, we got a couple motivation quotes from Wallow. He said, "Growth will stretch you before it strengthens you." Growth will stretch you before it strengthens you. That's real game right there. That's real game. One more for Wallow. He said, "You are capable of more than your doubts suggest." You are capable of more than your doubts suggest. Shout out Wallow for that motivation, y'all. Now, this is straight comedy right here, y'all. All right. Florida governor candidate James Fishback said he will impose a 50% simp tax on OnlyFans subscribers, y'all. Yo, he off the chain. He off the chain for that. So not only did he say that, but he said he's proposes a 50% sin tax on OnlyFans creators, y'all. Shout out to dude, man. I need to hear the interview. I need to hear the interview, bro. I need to hear the interview. He bold for that. But you know how much money they will be pulling in off that? So, man, shout out James Fishback, Florida governor candidate, for the 50% sin tax on the OnlyFans creators and the 50% simp tax for the OnlyFans subscribers, y'all. Put that on the ballot, y'all. Put that on the ballot. Let's go. All right, next. This is interesting. The United States Postal Service is considering a rule change that would allow anyone to send handguns through the mail for the first time in nearly 100 years. Ooh, okay. Very interesting. All right, next. This from Tesla. Tesla on FSD supervised drives itself from New York City to LA with zero interventions, y'all. Phenomenal. That's 2,833 miles, 49 hours, 55 minutes, and 57 seconds, beating the previous record by more than 8 hours. Shout out Tesla, y'all. That is phenomenal. All right. Another thing from Tesla. The last Model X and Model S have been produced at the Fremont factory. 14 years of history for the Model S and 11 years of history for the Model X. That's 14 years of history for the Model S and 11 years of history for the Model X. Salute to the factory in Fremont, y'all. That's dope. All right, we got some motivation from Ice-T now. Shout out to OG, man. He said, you have to try something every day. You have to try to do something every day to better your position, no matter how small. Every little victory counts, and they add up. Okay, shout out to the OG, man. Ice-T, good game right there. Oh, we got some more Tesla news. So, the Tesla Model Y became the first vehicle to pass the NHTSA's new Advanced Driver Assistance Program. The future is automated. All right. So, it's the best automated vehicle right now. It's the only one that passed the test. So, them other vehicles telling you they better, stop. You ain't passed the test. All right. I thought this was interesting, too. Someone bought Jack Dorsey's first ever tweet NFT in 2021. How much did this person pay? $2.9 million. How much is it worth today? Less than $5. So a lot of people lost millions trying to jump on that NFT fad. Should have stuck with the stocks. Damn. Oh, we got some more from Ice-T, man. Some more game from Ice-T. He said, life is like the gym. You look one way, there's always someone in better shape than you. You look the other way, there's someone who would die to be in your shape. You just got to be the best you can be. Shout out Ice-T for the game, y'all. All right, next we got Larry Flint, CEO of BlackRock.
The United States is short power, we're short compute, we're short chips, and there are going to be shortages in all three, and memory, four things. I actually believe a new asset class will be buying futures of compute. We just don't have enough compute power right now.
Oh, we about to be trading compute futures, y'all. Oh, I thought this was interesting too. So, this for my truck drivers. Shout out Cuzzo if you're listening. It says, this is what it costs in gas to be a big rig trucker in America. The trip is a 4-day trip departed from Southern California to Minnesota. Day 1, $900 for 170 gallons. Day 2, $950 for 175 gallons. Day 3, $905 for 174 gallons. Day 4, $966 for 144 gallons. Total spent, $3,722. Total gallons, 663. This is a 4-day trucking trip. For truck owners and operators, fuel typically accounts for 23 to 35% of gross revenue. This is the largest single expense in trucking. Woo. It's a lot of bread, y'all. All right, next up, 18-year-old Demetria Coley makes history as Florida State University's College of Nursing's youngest graduate, y'all. She graduated high school at 15 and now is a nurse at 18 years old, y'all. Salute to this sister right here. She finna make a bag. All right, next we got Ted Turner, y'all. Got a little advice.
There's a little saying that I heard a long time ago. It said, the secret of success is early to bed, early to rise, work like hell, and advertise.
Ooh. Little game right there. The secret to success is early to bed, early to rise, work like hell, and advertise. Oh, I know Ted Turner had bars like that. Yeah, bars, boy. Alright. Yeah, we gotta cut this show short. It is Monday, y'all. So, you know how we like to end the show with some Instagram game? Let's get it.
Chase excellence, never chase money. Why? Because money has an incredible way of finding excellence. Did you chase excellence and not money? Do you have the intellectual curiosity to learn everything you can about this incredible industry and master it? Become the smartest person in the room. Have you mastered it?
Hey, we sitting at all-time highs. You know what that means.
Said, go get that bag. Get that bag. Go get that bag. Get that bag. Get that bag. Get that bag. Go get that bag. Get that bag. Go get that bag.
It don't happen overnight, and there's gonna be moments when it's really, really frustrating, and there's gonna be moments when it's really, really inspiring and empowering. And if you get too high off the highs and too low off the lows, you're gonna take yourself on a ride that's very uncomfortable. I think it's just about being committed to the work, appreciating it, when it's good and not stressing too bad when it's bad, just appreciating the work and staying focused on showing up every day.
And that's what we do here on Trillion Dollar Tickers. I'm your host, Matt Richards. We'll be back tomorrow in the pre-market, and we'll have a longer show because I ain't got to go to work so early. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. We still getting this money, baby. Peace, blessings. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.
Watch the market unfold. $1 trillion tickers. Turning bitter to gold.